Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with MetLife, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all sources of income, including salaries, bonuses, and any side gigs. List all your monthly expenses, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, and debt payments. Categorize your expenses into fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs are regular payments that remain the same every month. Variable costs can fluctuate and include things like dining out and entertainment. Next, calculate your total income and total expenses. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. This result is your disposable income, which will help you determine how much you can save or spend. Now, set clear financial goals. Decide what you want to achieve in the short, medium, and long term. Short-term goals could include saving for a vacation or paying off a small debt. Medium-term goals might involve building an emergency fund or saving for a car. Long-term goals could be plans for retirement or buying a home. Once your goals are established, create a budget based on your disposable income. Allocate specific amounts to each category of expenses. Be realistic and ensure your budget can accommodate both necessities and discretionary spending. Next, use budgeting tools or apps offered by MetLife to track your progress. These tools can help you visualize your income and expenses effectively. Monitor your spending regularly to avoid overshooting your budget. Adjust your budget each month based on your actual expenses. If you find you're consistently overspending in certain categories, re-evaluate those areas. Consider cutting back on non-essential expenses if necessary. Remember to save for emergencies and unexpected expenses. Aim to set aside at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Finally, review your budget regularly and make adjustments as needed. Keep your financial goals in sight and track your progress over time. Following this guide will help you achieve better financial stability. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.